is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Google account from your Android phone. So we can just go to the top right here and go to settings and scroll on down. Now we can locate Google services. So let's find Google services and we can tap this and we can tap the top and we can find our Google account under here. Now to remove it we just need to add another account. And then we can delete our previous account. So that's an option right there. So if you no longer want this one, just add another one, and then we can go to manage accounts on this device. Now on my Samsung phone, it makes it super simple. I can just tap this and then go to remove account. I can just use my Samsung account. I don't need my Google account on here ever. So I can just completely remove that right there. So on Samsung, it makes it super easy. Then if we want to add a new Google account down here, we can just go to Google and sign back in. But that's how you do it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.